Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a decent family, and it is a Griddle spatula set. We'll see if it's actually decent, since it says it's from the decent family. Decent family. Okay, we'll see all the different pieces and parts that it comes with. So we have a squeeze bottle here. I guess this is going to be a ketchup-like bottle. There you go, or soy sauce or seasoning sauce, whatever it is. We have a silicone, hot handler glove. Boy, I think I'm the first person to go in here. It's like slightly stuck. There we go. Oh, it's got a good feel to it. So there's that. And then let me open this all up, and I'm gonna take it all out here. Ooh, there's a lot of pieces and parts in here. Okay. And we have another bottle. This one here is a white top one, so we have a red and a white top. We have some good tongs. These are nice. A little nicer than like the ones that I usually use from the dollar store. Very nice. Okay. We have a multitude of spatulas here. So let's see what we got here. We have the big Griddle spatula here with the holes in it, which is nice. We have a similar sized one that's flat. We have a scraper one here. You can see it's a scraper and it's got the little sharp edge on there. We have a flat griddle and a, excuse me, a different type of griddle than here. So we have all these different ones here. Can make anything, from pancakes to eggs. We have two basters. They seem pretty similar, although one's black and one's a different color. We have some kitchen scissors, very nice. Let's see what else we got in here. We have something heavy here. We have a few things here stuck together. So we have a scrubber brush, which is nice to have. You can see it's got that hard bristle stuff. We have a meat press. That's always good for pushing things down to squeeze down a burger or something. Looks like it's got little can openers on the side, bottle openers on the side. We have this one here, which is good for scraping things up and picking things up off the griddle. We have a few different little shaped ones. This one's shaped like a heart. And then we have a couple of round ones, I guess, for making little eggs or something like that. We have this and this. I guess it's gonna be salt and pepper shakers with the little lids on it. That's nice to have. So if I take this like camping or someplace, it'll stay dry. And then it opens up in the back here. Very good. So, cool. Nice to have. We have these little mini forks, which are good for corns and things like that to hold. Oh, here's another heart. One of those presses. Oh, we have the hooks so we can hang everything up. You can see these are little metal hooks. Very nice to have as well. Oh, we have a bag. So this is where all our utensils will go. So, dropped back into the silicone gel. Okay, so we have a bag to put everything in. And then we have, looks like we have two bowls. Or is it a bowl and a handle? Look at that, it's got tape on it. These are covers. These are nice. These are great. So when you're cooking stuff on the griddle and you need to put this on here, you need to cover it up. So you can cover it up, like if I'm making cheesecakes or cheesesteak, you gotta kind of cover it up when you put all the oils and stuff over the thing to make it hot. And a nice solid dish here. So it looks like we have two of those. And I think that's everything. That's a really good kit. You can aim it down here. You can see all the different pieces and parts. I'll put all the spatulas and stuff in here. This is really nice little setup here. This will fit most everything except for, definitely not these pans, but let's see if it'll fit everything else in here. Just for fun. Let's see, we can put those in here, those in here. Everything's still pretty wrapped up. You get the idea. I think that's about what'll fit in here. Maybe salt and pepper shakers, but I think that's about what fits into this little pouch here. And then we still have this little scraper and this thing here, which work fit together like this. And our glove. Probably could have put that in there if we wanted to, but for the most part, fits everything pretty good. These bottles wouldn't fit in there either. So, pretty cool setup though. I'm gonna say, very cool, and I like it. Thumbs up for sure. If you need a griddle spatula set, get this here. Everything seems super heavy duty, so I really like it.